Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and an 8mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Pull up the fastening latch on the plus terminal to disconnect it. The calculator stops you from accessing the battery holding system. You must pull it out. To do this, take it in your hands and pull upwards. Once free, pivot it to place it on its side so that it doesn't get in the way of the following steps. To remove the battery, push down on the first plastic tab, lift up the locking system, then extract it.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Using a large flathead screwdriver, move the second tab and simultaneously remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the plastic tab and the locking system back in place. Put the calculator back in place, making sure to slide it onto the rails. Reconnect the positive terminal while simply flipping the locking cap downwards. Then, put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.